All right, stay tuned. If you have a hard time finding neutral on your Harley Davidson, whether you got an M8 or a twin cam, you're gonna wanna see this part that we're about to install. All right, we got Joe here today, and we're gonna install the Kraus Easy Shift. This is for the M8 Softail. It also fits on the touring bikes, but they also have a twin cam one. People are raving about this part. Super easy install, and it makes finding neutral a breeze. So if you have any struggles finding neutral while you're riding, you wanna make it a lot easier. A lot of the team members here at Lifestyle Cycles put this on their bike, and it makes a whole world of difference. So without further ado, we're gonna open this bad boy up, and we're gonna get this install started. Super easy.
All right, so as you can see, if you look closely here, the bolt we have to get to is being blocked by this. So we're gonna have to pull it forward with your hand and hold it forward. This is a 3/16 Allen. You can get it off super easy, but you have to have it being pulled forward or else you're not gonna be able to access it. Once it releases, it'll kind of pop its way away. There you go. Always make sure you're Loctiting everything. This is how the product was when we opened it. There's a set screw right here, and then this bolt is going to fix this to the shaft here. If you look closely here, there's a cutaway that actually matches the arm. So Krauss did a really great job of machining these out for you guys, making it super easy. It pops right on. It almost will stay by itself. There's no variance right here where you're going to stick the bolts in. So it's very, very plug and play. Get a little Loctite on there. And again, you're going to have to pull this forward a little to get the access. This is how we're going to fix the part to the shaft. This is the supplied screw bolt.
And that bolt is in the packaging from Krauss.
Right.
Yeah, just like that. So it makes it easy as to which one goes where.
So now, as I mentioned, there's a little set screw in the back that just is like a double safety to make sure that that thing stays there. And we're going to get that with our Allen key. It's a little bit tough in here, so we're using an Allen key to get at it. I got a ball end on this Allen key too, so that helps a little if you guys have access to ball end Allen. So this is our stock bolt. It's going to a threaded area right here on the end of the Krauss bracket. It's already fixed on there, nice and tight, with the supplied bolt and the set screw. So now all we have to do is put this right here into the threaded area. Of course, we're going to use some Loctite. This is a Heim joint, so it moves around a lot. Try to get it nice and straight and you'll end up getting your thread started quicker than that. Same 3/16 Allen. And look at that, it jumped right into neutral on it so quickly. That's so funny. Awesome. A couple simple tools, a few minutes of your time, and you got a nice upgrade.
All right, Joe, 5-10 minutes, super easy install, right?
Very easy, very simple.
All right, so if you want to find neutral faster, easier on your bike, it's a super easy DIY installation. They're not expensive. Guys, head over to shop.lifestylecycles.com, the Lifestyle Cycles online mega store. Order yours today. You can install it. Anyone can install it. Free shipping on orders over $50 and always 5% back in megabucks. So thanks for tuning in.
Whoa, wait. Don't go anywhere until you like and subscribe to make sure you get notified every time we post our how-to videos, our product reviews, and all of our amazing interviews with your favorite racers and industry icons. I'll see you guys next time.